This story is about two neighbors. One of the neighbors was a retired teacher. The other one worked as an insurance agent. Both the neighbors had a keen interest in gardening. They both had a small garden behind their houses where they planted different plants. The retired neighbor used to give a little amount of water to his plants and wasn't fully attentive to them. Whereas, on the other hand, the insurance agent used to water his plants a lot. He was very attentive to look after them. The plants of the retired teacher were little grown and were okay in greenery, whereas the plants of the insurance agent were fully grown and were much greener. One night, there was a bad storm in their area and everything went haywire. The next morning, the neighbors came out to look at the damage that happened due to the storm. The plants of the insurance agent were damaged and fell off from their roots, whereas the plants of the retired teacher were not even damaged a bit and were totally intact. The insurance agent was disappointed to see his plants. He went to the retired teacher and asked him, "Sir, we both grew our plants at the same time. I used to take care of my plants better than you, and I even watered them a lot. But still my plants got damaged and fell off their roots, and nothing happened to yours. How is that even possible? I don't understand a bit of it." The retired teacher grinned at his neighbor and replied, "You gave your plants more than enough water and attention, which wasn't even necessary. Due to this, they didn't need to work themselves for that. You made everything available for them, whereas I gave my plants water in an adequate quantity. The rest of the water, I left it on its root to figure it out on its own. It helped the roots of the plants to grow deeper and it became firm with time. This is how my plants survived the storm." Moral: this story is about how you should parent your children. Children are like plants. If everything is made available for them, then they will never understand the importance of hard work behind earning those things. They will never learn how to work themselves in order to find a way in this competitive world. All they need is guidance. So it's best to guide them properly instead of providing them with everything. Teach them how to live a life, but let them choose their own path.